Assalamu alaikum. Welcome to Bosal Tech, and here I am going to show you that a new free Ethereum earning platform where you can earn Ethereum for free. Without deposit, you can also take withdraw from this free Ethereum boot. Now first of all, I am going to show you that withdraw proof of this website, and also I will teach you how much ways you have to increase your earning and how much ways you have to get a huge benefit from this free Ethereum boot. First of all, click on balance option now, and we have to enter these anti-boot links very carefully to be able to see our balance in this website. After enter, you can see here I have 2950 Ethereum Satoshi right now. Click on withdraw option now, and this website paying us directly into our Faucet Pay account. Now once again you can see how much balance I have. Click on withdraw option now, and here I need to enter my required amount to take withdraw from this website. Now I am going to enter my required amount in this website, which is equal to 295. Enter my amount and click on confirm now. You can see that this website paying us directly. Withdrawal successful. Hashtag confirm and refer more friends. Now come to my Faucet account, and I will show you that amount of this amount of Ethereum in my Faucet Pay account. Now welcome to my Faucet Pay account, and here you can see that I got 2950 Ethereum Satoshi right now, and you can also check dates and time each and everything. Now come to my Faucet Pay account, come to my platform where you can earn free Ethereum. Now here you need to enter your command to click on start option now. Now the question is that how can you reach here? I will provide you link in the description. You just need to click on the link and you can reach here without wasting any time. And what you need to join in this website to get a huge benefit from here. You can see that we have 6 platforms available in this right now to get free bonus of Ethereum from this website, and you can get 100 Ethereum Satoshi per day from this free boot. First of all, we have YouTube channel option. Click on it, and you need to subscribe this channel and press the bell icon to be able to get this free boot successfully.
Get professional email from GoDaddy.
I have already done it. Now come to my account, and we have WA channel, which is second one question. Complete this task also, and I already join it. Now come to my first platform, and you can see that join free crypto updates. Click on it and join here where you can see right now mute. Then in your platform you can see join option. You have to click on join option to join this boot very easily. Now we have X Cybero, which you have to join this platform on Twitter, X Twitter, and we have another 2 options. You also need to join this platform to earn a huge benefit from this website. Now in this way you can earn a huge benefit. Now click on bonus option now and click on get bonus option now. You can see that this website give us 100 Ethereum Satoshi per day after every 24 hours. Now how can you increase your balance in this website? Click on referral state option now, and here you go to your affiliate link. You have to copy this link, share this link with your friend, with your family member. If a person join this boot and complete all tasks, you will receive 250 Ethereum Satoshi per referral, per active referral. Hopefully you like it, you love it. Now if you want to get this type of more free boot and free earning site, you need to subscribe my channel, and please press the bell icon to get notify yourself about my all upcoming latest video. Hopefully you like it, you love it.